morning everybody. My name is Devsi. So today we discuss about the topic is PN junction diode. So PN junction diode before. So I am explaining what is meant by electronics. So electronics means flow of electrons through the semiconductor material is called the electronics. So in that electronics, first topic is PN junction diode. So PN junction diode in the sense, one side is P material, another side is N material. When they join together, the contact surface where they meet is called the PN junction diode. So PN junction diode is a unidirectional current flow. Okay, so we have to two types of material we have to take. First one is P-type material and second one is N-type material. They join together, the contact surface. This is a contact surface where they meet is called the PN junction diode. Okay, so in the P-type material, majority charge carriers are holes, minority charge carriers are electrons. In the same way, N-type material, majority charge carriers are electron, minority charge carriers are hole. Okay, so generally PN junction diode it's operate the three region. What is the three region? First one is PN junction with no bias, PN junction with forward bias, PN junction with reverse bias condition. First condition is what is that? PN junction with no biasing. No biasing in the sense we have to apply external voltage. External voltage in the sense here we are applying some battery. So here is what is a PN junction with no bias condition means we are not applying any battery, we are not applying any input voltage. So we are not applying any external voltage. That means external voltage V is equal to 0 when it is PN junction with no bias condition. So PN junction with no bias condition voltage value is 0. Now coming to this story, here is P-type majority charge car hole, minority charge car electron. In the same way, N-type majority charge car electron, minority charge car hole. Now due to the concentration, N-type majority charge car electron will cross the junction, enter into the P region. Are getting me? In the same way, N-type majority charge car what is the electron cross the junction, enter into the P region. Same way, N-type majority charge electron cross the junction, enter into the P region. Whenever entering into the P region, here is electron charge is negative. Now this electron will be disappear. Now one positive charge will be generated. Positive charge. In the same way here, P side. P side is majority charge for holes. Holes will cross the junction, enter into the N region. Same way, majority charge hole cross the junction, enter into the N region. Same majority charge carriers are holes cross the junction, enter into the P region. So whenever cross the junction, here holes will be disappear. Hole disappear means here one ion will be generated, that is negative ion will be generated. So here negative is generated, here positive generated. This region, one region will be developed. This region we can call it as a depletion region. Due to this depletion region, one side is negative terminal, another side is positive terminal. This will be created, one electric field will be generated. That electric field we call it as some potential barrier. So that means in PN junction diode, electric field will be generated and potential barrier is also generated. And another one will be generated, what is the depletion region will be also generated when it is PN junction with no bias condition. Coming to the PN junction with forward bias condition, forward biasing in the sense now we are applying external voltage in the sense we have to apply the battery.
So here is positive charge holes will repelling. That means this p region of these holes will cross the n region, will moving into the n region. In the same way, volts here external biasing voltage, what is the negative? Anti-magnetic charge carries what is the electron. The same polarity. Again same polarity means n side is repelling to each other. N side magnetic charge carriers are move towards the p region. Are you getting my point? P region magnetic charge hole will move towards the n region. N region magnetic charge carriers are electron move towards the p region. So what will happen here? Depletion region width will be decreases. Depletion region width will be decreases. So here it offers a very low resistance current. Whenever it offer the low resistance, high current will be flow. So that means your voltage will be increases, current is also increases when it is forward bias condition. So that's why VI characteristics in PN junction diode you can observe. Here is voltage x-axis, y-axis we can represent the current. IF in the sense forward current, VF in the sense forward voltage. So whenever increasing the voltage, current is also increasing. So this is the VI characteristics of the PN junction diode, forward bias condition. Now coming to the reverse bias condition. Now you can observe forward bias condition polarity, that means positive we have to connect it, but in reverse bias condition we are applying the negative polarity, opposite polarity to the forward bias condition. That means p type magnetic carriers current, what is that? Holes will be polarity is what is positive. Here is negative. They are repelling, they are attracting to each other. That means this hole will be so moving like this. So what will happen? Negative and this will be positive. They are attracting to each other. Depletion region width will be increases. Depletion region width is increases. Same here is also positive. Here is polarity is negative. So negative positive, again the electron moving like this. So that means negative and this one is positive. Again they are attracting. So attracting means what will happen? Depletion region width will be increases. Width is increases. Resistance will be high. Current will be low. Current will be flow. So why current low will be flow in the sense? Here is minority charge carrier. What is a piece of magnetic charge? Electron. So due to this electrons, we can flow the very low current. That low current we can call it as a reverse saturation current, or we can call it as a leakage current. So that means in reverse bias condition, you can observe the VI characteristics. So that is we call it as a IR, VR and IR. So you are increasing the voltage, current is also slowly down. That means minor current will be flow. That is a reverse bias condition VI characteristic.